Hello and welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious rosemary mustard glazed pork chop. This has become the only way my wife will eat them these days. Let's get started. To start, get your oven preheating to 400 degrees and an oven-proof skillet heating over medium to medium-high heat. While those are heating up, rinse and pat dry your pork chops and then season both sides with some salt and some pepper. Next, you want to put together the glaze. Add a 1/4 cup whole grain mustard to a small bowl. Add a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and next, take 2 to 3 sprigs of rosemary, remove it from the stems, and finely chop it. Mix all these together thoroughly and set aside. Add some olive oil and some butter to the heated skillet and let it sit for a few minutes so the oil and the butter have a chance to heat up. Now add your seasoned pork chops to your skillet and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes to get a nice sear. Once that completes, then flip them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Now remove your skillet from the heat and spread your glaze evenly over the pork chops. Place the skillet in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until your internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. Remove the skillet from the oven and let the pork chops rest for a few minutes before plating.